Alright, folks, I got this sweet Cuckoo clock from the Frankfurt International Airport, huge airport, on my way back from the Czech Republic. And this is gonna go off like any second now. It's almost 5 o'clock. Let's get some light going so it's easier for you guys to see what it does. The bird is in there. It's very beautiful. You know, I've always wanted one of these, and I was lucky enough to find it. I've always wanted one of these. You know, these were invented in the Black Forest in Germany in the 18th century, the 1700s, and you know, these have been passed on through generations, and there's a lot of history behind these clocks. So that's why a lot of people from Germany or in German shops have them. They're really nice, you know. I always wanted one, and I finally got one. Don't forget to subscribe, fans. Bye-bye.